Welcome to our head-to-head comparison of two of the hottest handheld gaming devices on the market, the Ayaneo 2 and the Steam Deck. With so many options available, choosing the right device can be overwhelming. That's why we've done the research and testing to give you a comprehensive breakdown of these two devices' features, capabilities, and performance. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, we'll help you make an informed decision on which device is the best fit for your gaming needs in 2023. So let's dive in and see how the Ayaneo 2 stacks up against the Steam Deck. First off, the Ayaneo 2 runs on a custom Linux kernel called Ayaneo OS, which provides an excellent foundation for gaming. It's paired with Proton software for an extra layer of compatibility with Windows games, making it possible to play even more titles on this device. The processor powering this device is the AMD Ryzen 7 6800, which is a high-performance CPU that promises smooth gameplay even on demanding titles. The graphics are handled by an AMD Radeon 680M, which is a solid GPU that can handle most games at moderate settings. Moving on to the display, the Ayaneo 2 features a 7-inch IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. This display is bright, sharp, and provides an immersive gaming experience. The device comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is plenty for gaming and multitasking. The internal storage is 1 TB NVMe, which can be expanded using an SD card. This is a generous amount of storage, which means you won't have to worry about running out of space for your favorite games. The Ayaneo 2 has several ports, including a USB-C port, a headphone jack, and a micro HDMI port. These ports make it easy to connect the device to external displays, headphones, and other peripherals, enhancing your gaming experience. The battery life is also impressive, with a 50.25 watt-hour battery that should last you for several hours of gaming. One of the most impressive features of the Ayaneo 2 is its support for a wide range of games and emulators. You can play games from various platforms including Steam, GOG, and the Epic Game Store, as well as classic console emulators like the Nintendo Switch and PlayStation Vita. The device also supports native Linux games, which can be played directly on the device. Heading on to the Steam Deck now. The 7-inch touchscreen display on the Steam Deck has a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels, making it ideal for gaming on the go. With built-in controls, it's easy to navigate and play your favorite games. The device also includes 64GB, 256GB, or even 512GB of expandable storage that can be added with an SD card, as well as 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM with a 5500 megatransfers per second speed rating. In terms of connectivity, the Steam Deck has you covered with a USB-C port, a headphone jack, and a micro HDMI port, which makes it easy to connect to external displays and peripherals. The Steam Deck's compatibility for Steam games is one of its most notable features. You have immediate access to your full Steam collection thanks to the device's pre-installed Steam client. Additionally, you'll never run out of games to play thanks to the ability to install emulators for vintage consoles like the Nintendo Switch and PlayStation Vita. Also supporting native Linux games, the Steam Deck gives you even more selections. Additionally, you can expect fluid and seamless gameplay thanks to its powerful AMD APU. When it comes to portable gaming devices, both the Ayaneo 2 and the Steam Deck are impressive options, each with their own unique strengths and features. The Ayaneo 2 boasts a more powerful Ryzen 7 6800 APU, making it better equipped to handle demanding games and applications. It also has a higher resolution touchscreen display at 1920 by 1200 pixels, which may offer a better gaming experience with its sharper visuals and increased detail. On the other hand, the Steam Deck's specially designed AMD APU, known as the Aerith, is still a formidable processor that can handle most games and applications with ease. While it may not be as powerful as the Ayaneo 2's CPU, it still provides ample performance for gaming on the go. The Steam Deck's 7-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels is still a decent size for portable gaming, and it has built-in controls for easy navigation. The device also comes with various storage options up to 512 gigabytes of high-speed NVMe SSD, which provides plenty of space for games and other files. Both devices also offer support for emulators and native Linux games, allowing users to enjoy classic console titles and other Linux-compatible games. Ultimately, the choice between these two devices comes down to personal preference and what features are most important to the user. If you're looking for raw power and high-resolution visuals, the Ayaneo 2 is likely the better choice. But if you value a well-designed APU and a solid all-around gaming experience, the Steam Deck is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, both the Ayaneo 2 and the Steam Deck are impressive portable gaming devices that offer excellent performance and a wide range of features. It ultimately comes down to what matters most to you: so be sure to consider your needs and preferences before making a decision. And that's it for our comparison between the Ayaneo 2 and the Steam Deck. We hope we've been able to provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision on which handheld gaming device is right for you. If you have any further questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments section. We love to hear your opinions on these devices and whether or not you'll be purchasing them. As always, we appreciate you taking the time to watch our video, and we hope you found it informative and engaging. We'll see you in the next one.